very good morning, dear children. Today we'll be doing joining words, lesson 20. Joining words are also known as conjunctions. They are also known as joining words because with these words we join two sentences with each other. They join or hooks together group of words and sentences to make one sentence. This is known as conjunction or joining words. It also joins the words, the two words or more words or phrases or clauses. So children, in this chapter we'll be doing three joining words. They are and, but and or. Where to use them and how to use them we will learn in this chapter. Like children, starting with the word and. We use and to join two similar things or sentences. For example, like the example is given there, Sarah went to the park. Sarah met her friend Michael. See, Sarah is one person. So we can join this. Sarah went to the park and met her friend Michael. So we don't have to write Sarah again twice. And children, in the similar way, Joseph ate a hot dog. Joseph ate French fries. We don't have to again and again use the name Joseph. We can say Joseph ate a hot dog and French fries. So, and has been joined for the similar ideas together. Now, we'll be doing but, the use of but. We wanted to buy a game. We didn't have any money. See, in this, how will we join these two sentences with the word but, with the joining word but? He wanted to buy a game, but he didn't have any money. So, but joins two opposite ideas together. So, children, with this, we come to know that we use but to talk about two opposite things, not two similar things. And two similar things we use with the joining word and. Now, coming to the next example of but, he wanted to go to school, he was sick. See, how will we join these two sentences with the word but? He wanted to go to school but he was sick. Now children, we'll be doing the use of or. We use or when we have to choose between two things. When we have a choice between two things, we use the joining word or. For example, we can say, we can write this as Sarah can take a bus or a taxi. That means there is a girl, he can take a bus or he can take a taxi. So that girl is having a choice between two things, bus or a taxi. In the same way, there is a sentence, Beth Owen can play the piano or compose music in his free time. That means this boy has a choice between playing the piano or composing the music. So, or is used when you have a choice between two things. So now children, you must have understood that what are conjunctions, what are joining words. A conjunction is a joiner, a word that connects or co-joins parts of a sentence. A word connecting words, clauses or sentences. They join two sentences together. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom.